1, 2. Evie's got it. What do you have, Evie?
I got cough.
You got a cough? Okay. That's her prayer request. That's her prayer request. All right. Evie's got a cough. Say it again. Very, very good. You're very close. What do you have, Charity?
That's what we're having. It's Abby.
Close.
Ani.
Good. Ani.
Ani.
Yeah, this is a nun as opposed to a Bob.
I think it's the glare, right?
Yeah.
The glare.
So, yeah, this marker wasn't as thick as the other one. Usually the letters are a little thicker. So everyone say ani.
Ani.
Again, ani.
Ani.
So the aleph, give it to me.
It's silent, and the A is so then it's a nun. It's the I.
So
Wait. It wouldn't be a nun Sophie?
yes, it would. No, no.
Yeah.
Because it's got this vowel underneath it. So let me check and make sure. So, oh, you know what? Because I'm better use this thing. Sorry about that. How's that?
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
Okay. So, ani.
I.
I.
No, it means I.
Or me. It goes for both. I or me. I mean. Now there's another way in the scripture, in the Bible, another form that is used is anochi. Which also means I. Anochi.
So is that an N or N?
This is an N, as in none.
None.
Now, is that none or is that none? Okay, who's got the next one? 1, 2, 3. Joey, what do you have? Close?
Nisi.
Nisi. Okay, give it to me.
Stomach. I. The next video.
Okay, Nisi. So technically you would transliterate these like this, because you got that yud on it. But usually you won't see it like that. Nisi. Banner or flag?
Like your banner over me is love banner?
Correct. Okay, next one. One, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, Chris.
Tita.
Very good. T-top, everyone. T-top. Again. T-top. So give it to me.
So it's a ta, die, tet, and the the a, and then the a.
Which is wheat. T-top, wheat. 1, 2, 3. You have it, Daniel? No? Marcy? Close? Hishamel. Hishamel. Okay. The resh, it's longer, so it's about the resh. Hishamel. Everyone? Hishamel. Hishamel, which means you watch. In other words, when Yeshua told the Talmudim, told the disciples, watch. Hishamel. So give it to me.
Okay.
Or when he says, watch ye therefore. Hishamel. Next one. Charity. He. So give it to me, everyone say he.
He.
Again, he. All right, give it to me.
Okay. I connect it to the and say.
Okay, so basically you have a silent aleph here, so basically you have a he.
Is she?
Is she. Who is he?
She.
He is she. Okay? This is the way you remember it. Who is he? He is she.
Mommy.
Next one. 1, 2. Nora. Ear. Everyone say ear.
Ear.
Like an ear.
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 Can you say one more time?
Ear.
What's that you?
Ear. Ear.
I can't hear you.
Eh?
I can't hear you.
No?
Good.
Give it to me.
Silent? Are you silent? I connects with the youth.
Y
Resh.
R.
Here. City. So we have a city called the City of Peace.
Yerushalayim.
Yerushalayim. Yerushalayim. So here you have the Yer right here. Yer. Yerushalayim. Yud. The Chidek and the Resh. Yer. Yerushalayim. City of Peace. Shalem. Comes from Shalom. Okay? I like this one. I love it when that happens. Ford has a better idea. Anyway, Yerushalayim. All right, here we go. Let's got it. 1, 2, 3. Joey, what do you have? David. David. Ready, everyone? David. Give it to me. David. A. Vav. I. David. David, yes. David. David.
I love the next one.
Who's got it? 1, 2, 3. Chris. Chris, what yet?
Shear.
Shear. Everyone? Shear.
Shear.
Say it again. Shear.
Shear.
So give it to me.
It's Shin, S-H, I, connect to the Yud,
Connects to the
and then the flash.
sun.
Shear. So,
My eye almost.
this is the vowels from last week. Okay, so because of the videotape, those kinds of things, I told you we would go over all of last week again, and then we'll go on because it's kind of short. So this vowel right here, that single dot under the letter, is called a chedek. Everybody, chedek. Okay, so this is not a ch sound; it's a k sound. Okay, so that's why you will see it almost always spelled with a ch. But because some people don't get it, sometimes it's a KH sound. Chedek. Everyone. Chedek. And this is the I sound, but it's an I as in a double E or a long E. Meek. E. Everyone. E. And then this one is called the chedek yud because it has the chedek and the yud, and they're connected. They're tied together. Okay. This is and so you see it here. Ani, which I left out earlier. Nisi. Okay. You see the chedek yud. He. Ev. Okay. Shiv. So you have to have that connection. So, where, if you would, what the yud does is it elongates the sound. Okay, it makes the sound longer. So you have, you have ani, you have nisi. Notice that ni-si. So the sound is stretched out. Okay, it's acting the same way that the Y acts in English in words like they, where it takes the E sound and it stretches it out. A-E. Okay? So you have that kind of, that same thing happening here with the katef and the yud, or the chedek and the yud, where they're connecting together. So this would be the shorter sound and this would be the longer sound. So when you just see the single dot under there, ni, everybody, ni. See how short that is, ni. But when you have it connected then to the yud, si. Okay, it stretches it out, si, ni, si. Everybody, ni, si. Okay, so here you have a chedek and a chedek yud side by side, B, si. Okay. So these are the I sounds. These are the O sounds, and it's a long O, as in cholem, the O there. Okay, so this is called A. This dot here, you have the consonant, and it usually appears, it will appear as a dot to the left side of the consonant. So it'll appear here like that. Let's see. So it appears as a dot to the upper, and this is why you have to be careful when you're reading, that you're not just looking from here underneath, but you're also looking to the side to see if there's any markers, any dots over there. because those are counting too. So these are called cholem. This is called a cholem. Everyone say cholem. Okay? So cholem is an O sound, and it is found to the left of the consonant, upper left of the consonant. Okay? This is one that you're more familiar with. This is the vav with a cholem on top of it. So it's called a cholem vav. Okay? So everyone say cholem vav. And the cholem vav is also a long O sound. So you have what's that say? Torah. Okay, so there's the cholem vav right here. Now, this is like a diminutive. The cholem is like a diminutive cholem vav. Or a defective, in that actually the vav goes here. You see what I'm saying? Technically there is supposed to be a vav there. But they don't put it in. They just put the dot there. And they know that the dot there is cholem. Technically it is a cholem vav. But they leave the vav off. Why would they leave the vav off?
That's the way it is in the scroll.
Because that's the way it is.
It would change the meaning, wouldn't it?
And that's the way it is. Walter Cronkite. Anyway. No, it doesn't change the meaning.
If the vav was there?
No. Because it's understood that the vav is there. The little dot there, it's understood that the vav is there. So it's called a defective, not a detective, a defective cholem. Because they dropped the vav off. Okay?
Is that bottom O, a long O, just like this
Yes,
one?
they're both the same.
Okay.
You would change the gematria.
I was
wouldn't it?
yeah.
Not really, because it's understood that the vav is there.
Yeah, but the gematria goes on off the consonants, not the vowel markers.
But this is acting as the same as this. It's just the shorthand. It's just the shorthand. It's a contraction. So, for example, if you go like this, it's the same thing. You've just contracted it. This is a shorthand form of this. That's all it is. It's you can say it's laziness, which most of us are guilty of. Okay? What?
To me, if it's out, it's because it's purposefully out, and not. I mean, biblically, if you're looking at the biblical.
No. Keep in mind that in the Torah scroll, the vav would be there, but the cholem would not be there.
Correct.
In the Torah scroll, it would look like this. The vav would be there, not the cholem, not the dot. This is a more modern shortcut. That's what I'm telling you. So when you're reading, if you're reading the brachot, then you're going to see forms like this. You're going to see a defective cholem. When you're reading the Torah, you will not see a defective cholem. Because in the original Hebrew, in the ancient Hebrew, this is a vav. It's a cholem vav. So the vav is there, just like here. When you put the apostrophe in, the apostrophe is representing what? The A. So the A technically is there. You're just contracting it. You're speeding up the word in effect. So, yes?
So in the signs, in Hebrew, like if you're walking on the street in Jerusalem, like would they be like that with the vowel markers, or would they be like we found?
Usually, street signs, usually they don't have vowel markers. So, yeah, you just have straight consonants, straight Hebrew. Okay. Now, just to help you out a little bit more, you recognize these signs. Okay, the katuv kametz. This was a katef kametz, now it's a katuv kametz. And here the kametz. So, occasionally, these will also, remember that these are ah sounds. Okay, as in ah. But occasionally, it will also be a long sound. For example, you would read it, if you're reading it, the word all, it looks like, because it's spelled with the kametz, it looks like kal, but it's kol. For example, kol Yisrael, all of Israel. So it would have the kametz there, and so you would think that it's kal, but it's actually pronounced kol. And there's not a lot of words where it's like that. However, now this is in Sephardi. In Ashkenaz, all of these, all the kametz are O's, long O's. For example, yes. So we say Shabbat. Shabbat. Okay? Well, in Ashkenaz, first of all, the tav becomes an S sound, and this is an O sound. So, Shabbos. Okay? So, if you're speaking Yiddish, good Shabbos is what they will tell you. And most Ashkenazim, this is the greeting for Shabbat. Okay? The Sephardim will say Shabbat Shalom. But the Ashkenazim will say good Shabbos, or good Shabbos. So Chatuv Kometz, this is a shorter O, this is a longer O. And the kametz. Okay? Let's take 5 and we'll go to the trib life. Next week.